Just a quick room tour of a king room here at the Carnegie Hotel in Johnson City, Tennessee. Come into the bathroom, really nice and spacious. Walk-in shower. Got towels, hand towels and washcloths. Little toilet behind a pony wall. Hello. You can wear my wetsuit. We're here on dive training. Got 2 sinks, some nice toiletries, ice bucket, cosmetic mirror, coffee maker here with Starbucks pods, hair dryer. You got a tub there, scale. No one's wanting to weigh themselves on vacation. Let's see. Got your closet here. Nice large safe, ironing board, luggage rack, hangers, full mirror. Come in, really spacious room, king bed, like some really nice bedding. Got 2 bedside tables, lamps. You got a little desk for writing there. The on-site restaurant, some charging station there. More plugs on your lamp. Alarm clock with charging ports. Storage here on each side. Got the wardrobe. Small flat screen TV with more storage. Another little table here with a nice lamp. Got your couch here. I'm not sure if that's pull out. It looks like it is a pull out sofa. Got a couple of windows there. Another bedside table. And that is gonna do it.